All right, stream should be live again for the third time today. Hopefully they will hold up. I'm gonna put my stop in the money on this Bitcoin short. See if we get a nice flush on it this time. Russell's dipping quite a bit down now. Man, those 258s are now 32 cents. I was trying to see if I could eye them to get them in, get into them cheaper. I just couldn't. I just couldn't get a good fill on them. Not cheaper than what I sold them for last. I didn't want to pay more. Man, yet again, stopped out on my Bitcoin short. That probably wasn't a good trade. I probably lost on that one. Even though I got stopped in the money. Well, that's a heck of a candle right there. 61 to 62. Well, getting close to that pivot mark. I usually look for a pivot in the market here within the next 10 to 20 minutes. Well, 10 to 15 minutes I usually look for it. I was trying to remember the name of that company. It was Market Delta, I think it was called, where I saw the guy trading volume at price. That was years ago. Not sure you can still buy it. It was pretty complex, but tons of info for the advanced traders. That's a SLV. It's SLV. If you're looking for options, it's SLV. Ah, there's that dip back in. Oh, they got back to 20. Shorts are starting to kick in for SLV. Now that MJ brought it up. She's probably shorting it to Kingdom Come. My goodness. Not yet. They're just expensive. Gold zero DTEs are even more expensive. Bitcoin seems like it's holding the 200. It's holding for dear life. I'm glad I got rid of my silver trade. I wouldn't be happy. 258 back at 24 cents. What are we gonna do? Dang. Plug is down 5% on the day. Let's take a look at the heat map. A lot of red across the board on the heat map, contributing to more of the selling pressure. Man, those Russell puts are starting to rip now. Back at 33 cents. Looks like we might get an aggressive sell here. Let's see. Let's see if we get a big push down on the market. This could be good. This could be real good. This might be the leg down we're looking for. Silver further selling. Bulls are fighting. They're fighting the bears, but let's see. Will we get the bounce or are we going to continue to sell? That's the real question. Looks like we're starting to bounce. Oh my God, that's a huge bounce. Good Lord. Come on, sell it. Push it further down. We can get that move finally down. Come on. Come on, Bears. Let's get it down. Let's bear down. They don't want to let it go. Do not want to let it go. They're fighting. They know they get it below this and it's game on. The Bears will really take control of the market. Can you imagine we get to that overnight low? That would be at 25,752. That'd be pretty low. All right, short might be working now. Russell's starting to dip even further now, really getting some volume to the downside. Let's see if Nas starts to follow suit. Bulls are trying though. They don't want to let this thing go. I think we'll get a nice little flush here though. Come on, Nas, give us that flush. Do it. Russell breaking now the lows. Don't forget on NASDAQ, we got to buy the reversal at 25.79. That's right there as well. So that's just a few points below where we're at right now. So if you're taking this short, had to tap out Riz. Thanks for the chat. Catch you guys next week. You got to be fisherman. Nice meeting you and nice chatting with you. Have a great weekend. What's everybody else in chat doing today? Bears are sleeping. Need to be worn. Oh no, we're gonna get it. I'm in a nice short right now on NASDAQ and my new PA. We're up a few bucks today. Oh my God, this is really working. Jesus. Oh, come on, give it to me. Give it to me. Give me that overnight low. Come on. 752. We're up $785. 850 now on this single NQ-Con short. Hole mole. Can we really get going though? Or they're gonna buy this here? It's the only thing that worries me. I'm gonna just take profit. Okay, boom. All right, new PA is up $511 for the day. Let's go. Steve's runner. Steve's runner. Oh, that's hilarious, bro. That's hilarious. Man, those 258s are now sitting at 42 cents from a 21-cent bid. I think you got a lot lower to go. I'm just dipping out because I've already hit my profit target for the day, so I should have held it a little longer. Man, if Ace was here, he'd be like, man, you paper handing mofo. He'd probably be making fun of me. Like, Riz is paper handing again? I'd be like, yeah, I'm paper handing again. I am. Paper handing. But luckily, I don't see Ace here. So that is definitely a good thing. That is definitely a good thing. Man, the bots are rough today on the chats, right? They're out there just hammering at me. Okay, stream is up, thank God, again. Wasn't I short Bitcoin? Oh. Oh man, this thing is really gonna go now. I haven't seen the real selling kick in now. Steve just stopped sharing his chart. Oh no, never mind. My bad, my bad. I scrolled down. I scrolled down. I was trying to see who was still here in chat. Well, look at that. We got a pretty good little audience here today. We got 23 people. Hope you guys are having a great day. Don't forget, we got some great sales going on. Is that sale that Makaram extended still running? I don't even know. Let's see. Let's take a look at the announcements page. Velocity Logic. Okay, no, not one. Let's take a look at the promos. Okay, so we've got our premium accounts for $100. That's right, guys. So if you're looking for a 100K premium, a 200K static, or a 300K static, you can nab those for $100 to get your trading career started. Why risk your money when you can risk ours? Sign up today at bluesky.pro. Man, these puts are ripping. They're going to put these puts in the money, Jesus. And I am sidelined crying myself into a corner. I'm glad I got that NAS trade because that NAS trade was, I mean, not going to lie, we got a little bit of drawdown on it. You know, we got into drawdown like $200, but nothing that freaked us out. You know, now for the first day in the account, we happy. And just so you guys know, bam, so you guys don't think I'm trading paper accounts here and stuff. Coach Rizzy ain't trading no sim accounts. Well, sometimes. Heck, I'll trade paper accounts. Paper accounts don't bother me one bit. I don't mind trading paper. I like it. I feel like Michael Jordan when I'm trading sims. Be honest with you, you know, it really doesn't bother me. I like it because at least, you know, I can find my rhythm, and I feel like the more I do it, the better I get, you know? Like I've been noticing that like the last couple of months is that now I'm really just getting real mechanical on my trades. You know, really letting go of everything, not thinking about it, just holding, you know. Unfortunately, I'm not doing as good as Steve the Beeve, but you know, I ain't got that capital yet. I'm still rebuilding, but you know what? Soon enough, like Bay Fisherman said, you know, shoot, hey, don't worry. Soon enough, I'll be trading 8 cons. I'll be nailing some $20,000 to $40,000 trades for you guys. We just gotta build it up. The blow off top on metals. I don't know. We're down 16%. Oh, that's right. That's right, Big Fisherman. We're gonna be rich. Man, those 258s are 54 cents. They're more than double what I paid for them. Look at silver gross. I am so glad I got out of my silver position. You know that? I would be I would be substantially down today. It'd be interesting if maybe going into tomorrow or into later today we could catch a nice swing trade on it. Hey Rosalind, good morning to you. Good morning to you. About Bitcoin. Bitcoin it looks like it wants to sell too. And those puts are now 60 cents. Jesus Christ. That was my trade. That was my trade. Oh man, why did I cut those? Oh man, hindsight is always like that for us as traders though, you know, super tough. I was looking at other indices, but everything was just like juiced up. Like everything is expensive, like super overpriced for me to try to take a position in anything. The only thing I've got going now is that I could look at like a mean reversion, but the only problem with that is, I don't know. I don't know if we're gonna catch it. Although like Steve's already pivoted. Oh, nice. I wonder if I have those kind of stats yet. Let's see. Let me see what I got. Oh, I've been blocked. I've been blocked. No bueno. I need to add this. It's probably because I got my VPN on. La la la. Yep, that's it. All right, let's get to my dashboard. I've only got a single trade on for this account. You guys know me. I ain't trading a whole lot. Funded. View details. Events. Oh. It just gives me a 0%. All I got is a 0%. It hasn't factored in. But then again, it's only the single trade I took. We're 100%, baby. We're 0%, baby. 0%. Does that mean I'm winning? No, we need the gladiator one. Are you not entertained? There you go. This is what it should be. That's what it should be right there. Cuz that would be me. That would be me. Yeah, that would exactly be me. I would like annihilate somebody and then I would put my arms up and be like, "Are you not happy? Does that not make you happy?" And silver down 17% for the day, and it shows no sign of stopping. It's looking like it's making a bear flag. Bitcoin, even my brokerage, yeah, we just wait. Are we back? I have no idea. I wonder if it's all this cold weather that's just hosing everything up. Oh my god, what are we gonna do? Hmm. No, bro. Jaja, I got rid of the TP link, bro. I got rid of the TP link. I've got a custom. I've got a custom router. I built my router. I finally bought that hardware. So I got a Xeon processor. I got a Xeon processor, 16 megs of RAM. I got a 20 gig hard drive sitting in that in my network appliance now. I'm running OpenSense, so I've got OpenSense firewall on it. Oh, it's sick, bro. My speed is there, but what I did notice is my upload was kind of crap yesterday, which doesn't make sense. My I think I need a see. It says that I'm not dropping any frames. Oh, oh, look at that. I did not know I could have that on here. I get to see my frames per second and at my dropped and my connection speed. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. That's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. Man, those puts keep ripping. MACD flipped. For upside, right? On Bitto. This could be a nice long catch on Bitcoin, you know that? I hate these Bitcoin positions I'm in. These things are such garbage. I can't even get rid of these puts. Can't even get rid of them. I've been trying to get rid of them and my 12s I got rid of earlier, but like right now, are you using a VPN on the router level? No, I don't use a VPN on the router. I could set up one of my I could set up a port. That's a cool thing about it is all the ports are not bridged together. So they're all individual. So they'll all have their own VLAN, their own IP scheme and everything that the router funnels the traffic on. So like my PC is like hardwired in, but I got my own circuit directly into the router. Whereas like everybody else on the Wi-Fi and stuff, they're all on a whole separate VLAN. Ah, your boy Riz got real techie. I got super techie, bro. I hadn't gotten my nerd on in like a long time. I've been a chart fiend for a while, and it was nice to get my nerd hat on, bro. I'm not done though. I'm not done. I'm gonna replace all my Wi-Fi, and I'm gonna get Ubiquity Wi-Fi. So the Wi-Fi network is still that TP junk, but all that TP junk is just on a bypass, and it's just temporary. Because, like I said, I'm gonna start ordering all my Ubiquity stuff. I kind of don't want to. I don't want to really buy Ubiquity, but I mean, for the money, you get the most bang for your buck. You know what I'm saying? As funny as it may be, bit I bit calls that are one out the money, they're like 75 cents out the money. They're sitting at 3 cents right now. Literally. We're sitting at 3 cents right now. I mean, one out the money is gonna cost you 19, but at 3 cents, I mean you could buy a ton of these. That's if she wants to hold. Let's see if I can get in on these. No, not gonna let me get it. Oh, they're not gonna let me get them. They're not gonna let me get them. They're gonna move without me. The Russell looks like it's catching a bid too. Ah, one of those. That's not fair. Dang it. Let's see. It's like Steve is already changing his course over to a long position. We're 8 minutes past the London Power Hour, team. And I'm running a little bit longer than normal. But I want to see what the market's going to do. See what she can give us. See if she can rip it. I'll hang with you guys till New York lunch. How about that? I'll stay a little bit longer. We started off early, but hey, you know what? I don't mind it. I'm here for you guys. I'll try to do some. Okay, sounds good. Tomorrow my turn. Sounds Gucci. What's everybody doing in chat today? Anybody got any plans for the weekend? I ain't got much going on this weekend. Fairly quiet. Supposed to be taking out the wife. My wife here going out this weekend, so it's gonna be nice. A little fresh air, stretch the legs. We're not going to any shows this weekend. Sleep, man. I'll get all the sleep when I die. What is this? Right. Oh, that's crazy. So if you guys go to Costco today, you might be able to pick up the Nike Kirkland signature SB Dunks. I don't, yeah. They say that they're not here. Probably get a little pullback here on the market a little bit further. ZSL. Oh, wow. This is actually pretty freaking interesting. Hey MJ, you wanna figure out. Oh, it's probably baloney. Yep, the wife is awesome. The wife is awesome. I can't complain. So MJ, what you need to check out is ZSL. That is a 3x short on the silver. I'm gonna tag her in that. Liquidity is pretty freaking impressive on there. Prices aren't bad either. Can you get much higher? I'm starting to catch that bid. Same for Bitcoin. Bitcoin is starting to pick up a little. It's holding. Let's go. Let's go, Bitcoin. Let's go, baby boy. Let's go. Put your big boy pants on and let's go. The Ross catching a bid. And we're back in the range. Look at that. Look at that. And just like that, boom. 1 minute we're like selling, next minute we're back in the range. Like it didn't even happen. What a tough morning session. Consolidated for like 2 hours almost. Consolidated for almost 2 hours and then finally dipped down and now we're almost bouncing back up. I'm gonna have to add those to my watch list. My watch list. We're gonna add a symbol, and that will be ZSL. Add that in there because I love me some 3x leverage. Silver's still dipping. But like it might even put another leg down. Bitcoin's struggling. Hasn't really made much of a move at all and just been ranging. Yes, holding. Still holding on to these levels. Not making any real movement. Looks like the Russell might just turn back down towards the downside.